Fantastic, which is boo for me, because look Fantastic. I don't know that you watch this whatsoever, but for all of our subscribers, I get the monthly box just like she does. Have they billed me yet? No. Did I email them? Yes. And what did they say? They said like, oh, they're out of stock or something crazy. Well, if we're on a subscription to get it every month, how could they be out of stock? How could they not charge me? I didn't even know that. I said my sister's already gotten her shipped, but mine, I haven't even been charged for this month's box yet. So you know what? I might cancel Look Fantastic. You know what? You want to know what? That's what Allure was doing to me, and that's why I canceled Allure. But this is what it looks like for those of you who don't get it or are curious. It says, be fearless in the pursuit of what sets your soul on fire. Very catchy, but I don't know why. Fantastic does in a bad way. No,
don't know why they wouldn't give my sister her box. That would irritate me. So I'm sure you guys can all understand when you want to pay for something and can't pay for it. That's just the inside there. You know, it's kind of sad.
Well, it's weird because like we're supposed to get them every month. It's one thing if we were like just doing it one time only, but if we're signed up to get it every month, why wouldn't they? It doesn't make any sense. I don't it's either 3 INA or 3 NA maybe.
But yeah, it's a pretty color, so I'll probably keep this.
3 INA.
You guys know I usually hate lipsticks, but if it's a liquid, I do try to like use them. Usually, so unless I change my mind. But that was the color. It's pretty.
And for that in transit camera close-up, instead of that, she could have gotten Perfect Leg Skin Miracle, I guess. I guess there was like a couple
this
different.
Is Lord & Berry's Dior eye pencil. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Gosh, it looks like it's gold.
Yeah, it says bronze gold.
Bronze gold.
Is it an eye pencil you said?
I think so. So this might go in a giveaway. I mean, I do like gold, but I usually just aim for brown pencils and black, typically.
So it's an eyeliner. Okay.
So yeah, so that might go in a giveaway too. But that was it for this box. And if you like this video, but maybe not Look Fantastic, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to know about our future giveaways. We're going to try to do our next one. I think the Sunday before Thanksgiving, we're going to aim for that as our goal to start our next giveaway. And hopefully you guys can be a part of that. We'll catch you then. Take care. Bye.